पुढच्या रविवारपर्यंत आपल्याला पुढच्या महिन्याच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी माहिती असतील, पण आहे बऱ्यापैकी म्हणजे पुढच्या महिन्यात काम.
Oh God. Now Sarang is cooking Malwani chicken masala. That smells so good. What goes into a Malwani recipe and what makes it different from other Indian recipes, Sarang?
The main thing is a coastal recipe, so the main content is coconut. So that to dry coconut, it's called cobra, and you have to burn it and then grate it. So that's the main distinct flavor. And apart from that, the masala, Malwani masala, it's actually garam masala but with some few extra ingredients like bay leaf powder and whatnot.
What makes this one green is the coriander,
Yeah, that's an
i.e. cilantro or kotimbir. We serve it with white rice. Just looks nicely done.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh wow! Hey buddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Come.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. What's his name?
Bimbo.
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 And he's so smart.
And you'll call him, no, we keep calling him Bimbo.
Bimbo.
You don't like? You don't like her shoes?
No.
Nice chapel. Nice chapel, baby.
You don't like metallics, huh?
Rami doesn't get a good speed.
Sometimes
So
with the parking.
he goes slow over there.
Well, I had seen this, so I told her that you should come and see.
You don't fight, do you? Oh, you're so sweet.
He's talking and he wants to communicate.
His way
Yes.
of communication.
You.
Same with this fellow. We put his shoes and chappals and he'll go and he'll...
He wants to smell it. He wants to
Very
know
true.
where.
See, see.
We're having a baby. No, we're just getting props for the next video we're working on.
Really?
Is to take it from Accord. Yeah. Accord, the cool thing is they
रसोइया तक बनना पड़ता है हमारे प्राथमिकता में शिक्षा नहीं ठीक चल रही है 500 लेते हैं संकल्प लेते हैं इंटरनेट सत्याग्रह करेंगे